Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So, as you can see, I did go blonde recently. I took my hair extensions out. I was dark brown with red, had tape-in extensions in. I took them all out, chopped it all off. I did somewhat go blonde. Well, I was deciding today that it's just not blonde enough. This is not where I want to be. I'm still kind of in the yellowy stages of things here, as you can see. Let's give you a spin. As you can see, it's not the prettiest blonde. I would like to try to get to like the white, platinum, super ashy, silver toned white. I have tried to do this on my channel several times before. I will link some videos up here of previous times I have tried if you'd like to go back and watch some hits or misses. Who knows? Did they work? Did they not? You'll have to watch to find out. Today, I'm going to start with a bleach application for the mixture on my hair. I don't want to use anything too strong because I am blonde now. But I need something that's going to kick it a little bit. So I'm going to be using my Shanice color line. This is what I do carry in my shop. These are the products that I do use on my clients. I'm going to use the Shanice Powder Plus. This is the bleach. Comes in a jar like this. In here is your standard bleach powder. And along with it, I will be using the Shanice Oxy Cream 20 Volume Developer. So let's mix that up. Alright you guys, I have some mirrors behind me. I have this little mirror here in front of me. I have my bleach mixed up. I got my gloves on. Please, if you are doing this, wear gloves. I cannot stress that enough. Your fingers and your skin will hate you if you don't wear gloves. I also have a claw clip right here, as well as my pintail comb. I am going to start off at the lower back portion of my hair. That's where it's the darkest and it needs the most time there. So I'm just gonna kind of set you up here. I am going to start by sectioning off a portion of hair, clip it up out of the way, get our mixture on. Once we start doing this, we need to work quick and smoothly and evenly. It will start working as soon as it touches the hair. Taking another section down. Going to repeat this process all the way up. Alright, you guys. This is all mixed into my hair, I think, as good as it's gonna get. Because my hair is already pretty blonde, I'm not gonna leave this bleach on my hair for very long. I'm going to probably wash it out in about 15 minutes. I will let you know the actual time that I left it on when I come back after washing it out. See you in a few minutes. Alright, you guys, I am at about the 15-minute mark. I don't want to fry my hair all off, so I am going to rinse it out right now. I'm going to use the Marc Anthony Complete Color Care Purple Shampoo. And then I'm going to follow it by the Living Proof Restore Repair Mask. Let's get washing. Alright, you guys, I'm just gonna let this deep conditioning mask sit in my hair for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be back once I rinse it out. Alright, you guys, I rinsed that mask out of my hair, dried it. As you can see, I am at a very pale banana yellow kind of color. There is this new color that was brought into the Shanice line that I carry. And we're gonna test it out today. I'll show you the swatch. It is this bottom one, 11cc. And when I got it, I was talking to my beauty distributor people about it. And they told me that it is an amazing toner for being left on when you want to go that silver white color. So we're gonna try it. It says it is extra light ash platinum blonde. This is what the tube looks like. The mixing ratio is 1 part color, 1.5 parts developer. I am going to be mixing it with 20 volume. I have been using this color line for quite a few years on my clients as well as myself. It is a fabulous color line. This one, this particular shade is a newer one to the line that I have not tried yet. And really, before I test it out on any client that comes in, I do want to see what it's gonna do. So I'm gonna be my own guinea pig today, and we're gonna put this in. I'm gonna take one for the team, figure out if this is gonna do the trick. This is what it looks like all mixed in together. We're gonna put this in and see what happens. Alright, you guys, it is all applied. I'm going to let this color sit, develop, work its magic. Again, I have no idea what it's going to look like. I have not used this particular shade before. Very excited. I do hope it turns out, because I have been trying for a long time to get this silver color. This could be the day. I'm gonna let this develop for about 20 minutes and then I'll be back. Are you guys ready to see what it looks like? Okay, this is it. It is the next day now. It was getting late by the time I washed it out, and this is what it's looking like. Honestly, I think this worked better than any other silver that I've done yet. I'm going to rock this color for a while, let the toner fade out over time, see what happens exactly. You guys can follow the progress while you watch my videos and see how it fades out, and then we'll decide what color we want to try next. I am quite impressed with the Shanice 11cc. I could have left it on a little bit longer than I did. I think that if I did leave it on the extra 5 minutes even, it would have grabbed back here a little bit more where it was darker blonde to begin with. Other than that though, I mean, that was my bad. I washed it out a little too soon. That's all right though. I am very pleased with how it turned out. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this one? I mean, compared to this yellow-haired girl that we started with. If you guys enjoy videos like this, then please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already part of the Min's Beauty family, what are you waiting for? Head down there, hit subscribe, and until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.